Hey friends, I just got my, what is this month? I don't know, time is flying, February. What is this video about? Scentsy Club. I just got my February Scentsy Club delivery. This is what I get monthly. I did change a few things up because I don't know if you knew about Scentsy Club, but I can change what I get in it every month, which sounds a little silly because it is a subscription, but the funny thing about it is that you can change what you have in it every single month. We kind of decided to, no, we didn't. Nope, it's the same. It is a little bit different. We changed the scent of a thing or two. So the laundry I get every month. I get my washer whiffs and my laundry liquid every single month because we go through this monthly. So I got my washer whiffs in Windowsill Breeze. That's the laundry ever. Jammy time, I might be switching back to jammy time though, because I miss it a little bit. And my customers have been ordering that a lot lately, and so I've been missing it. And so I need to probably put that back into rotation. So Windowsill Breeze, delicious. Super good if you have not tried it yet. And so I get my laundry every month, and then I always get my Scentsy Fresh every month. And I changed my fragrance on this month. We were getting lavender cotton. I decided to grab Amazon Rain this time. I actually don't like Amazon Rain in anything except Scentsy Fresh. It sings. I don't know what it is about this scent and this product, but for some reason, it was made for this product. It's just the best. It's so good. My husband loves Clothesline in Scentsy Fresh. Amazon Rain's my favorite. So we've been using lavender cotton. We're kind of over it. So we are getting, we are switching that up this month. My husband added sheer leather car bar to our monthly subscription this month because he wanted something new in his car every month. And I kept forgetting to order him one. So he's like, then put it in the subscription because then you're not gonna forget to order me one. Obviously, right? So yes, I added his car bar in there. So that'll come monthly now because then he'll get to switch that out every month, which makes sense. So you guys know what this means though. Obviously, my monthly subscription hits $60 every month on stuff we use anyway in our house every month, which is kind of the best thing about my job is I just sell stuff I use every month. Like, cool, I get paid to use stuff that I was gonna use anyway to clean my house and clean my clothes and make my stuff smell good. And then I get paid commission on it. So, I mean, not only did I buy stuff I was already gonna buy at the store, I got paid my commission on it. And in my Scentsy Club, this is 10% off because it was at least $30. And this was actually at least $60, which means I get a half off item. And the best value that we have in Scentsy Club for a half off item is the Whiffbox, which is $36 to $39 worth of mysterious amounts of mysterious, not amounts, $36 to $39 of Scentsy product, mysterious items. We don't know what's in here. And I have actually not seen spoilers for this yet because I've been avoiding them. And so I'm gonna open this. So if you don't like spoilers, avert your eyes, turn the video off, don't look, but this is $36 to $39 in Scentsy product, normally $30. I got this for half off. So I only paid $15 for this because I put it in my Scentsy Club as $15. I put it in as my half off items that I got because I spent $60 at my club. Yes, so for $75 only, actually less because everything was 10% off. Also, it's ridiculous. I got all of my laundry stuff, my Scentsy Fresh, my car bar, and then $39 in Scentsy stuff. It's ridiculous. It's the best deal that you can get on Scentsy. And I did not have to host a party. I still got host rewards, essentially, without hosting a party. Seriously, Scentsy Club is the best deal on Scentsy products without hosting a party. If you're not shopping for Scentsy through Scentsy Club for your consumable products, you need to connect with me. And like I said, I edited my club before it processed. I changed the fragrances of some stuff. I added a car bar. You can change your club before it ships. So if you wanted to add a few bars or change the scent of some things that you already had, you can edit it up to 10 days before it ships. So you can kind of use it as a revolving shopping cart. It doesn't have to stay the same every month, which is really cool. So let's open it and see. Again, turn the video off if you don't want to see what's inside and spoilers. It's so cute. I love the packaging of these. They're so cute. But you can add this to your club. I just highly recommend getting it every month. It's a really awesome way to try new fragrances. And sometimes they send really fun special things that you can't get in any other way. Like December, they sent a gnome buddy clip that you literally couldn't buy. It's not for sale. You couldn't buy it any other way. It was only in the box, period. You couldn't buy it. Consultants couldn't get it unless you bought the box. It was really cool. Sometimes they send fragrance cups of samples of fragrances that you can't buy, just for you to try and let them know what you think of them so that they could maybe make them into bars. It's really cool. And then they always send a scent tester of next month's scent of the month. And I have not even gotten my scent of the month kit yet. So I haven't even smelled it yet. Most consultants haven't even gotten this yet. So a lot of times customers get these before consultants do. So like huge perk, really cool. So that is in there. They always put a little cute little post-tray thing. This one's origami. So there's that, my deflated air. So this one is the scent of the month sample for next month. And it is pink sugarberry mint. I'm not gonna smell it for you right now. I just don't feel like it. Because I'm gonna do a first sniffs eventually on that one anyway. So this is Oh Snapdragon, and this is one of our brand new spring and summer fragrances that came out this catalog season. This is, sugar scrub in Luna. Our sugar scrub is amazing. It's super good for dry skin, which we are all bussing with right now. Yay, this one came with a new catalog. So if you don't have your new catalog yet, you're gonna get one in your box this month. And Sand Swept Scent Circle. This fragrance is really good if you have not smelled some of our new stuff yet. Red Pear and Pomegranate, which everyone is saying is their new favorite scent ever. This is the scent of the month for February. Magnolia Linen. This is one of our brand new spring and summer fragrances that everyone is already begging for in laundry. Everyone says it's their favorite fresh smell that they have smelled in a very long time. Watermelon Tangerine. This was one of our summer scents last summer that sold out immediately in everything that everyone begged to come back this year, and it did, and it came back in a bunch of awesome products. So this is hand cream. So that is this month's box. So this is $9, $12, two $12 things here, so 24 plus 9, I'm bad at math, 33, right? Plus 3, 36 bucks. Like I said, $36 in freebies. Not freebies, it wasn't free, almost. It was $36 in Scentsy product. I only paid $15. Pretty freaking awesome deal. So anyway, go sign up for Scentsy Club if you haven't yet. Like I said, you're getting 10% off after you spend $30. You're getting a half off item after you spend $60. It is the best. And again, it's a subscription. You set how often you want things. You can change it at any time. You can cancel. There's no contract. There's no fee even. There's not like a membership fee. You don't pay like $34 a year to be like a preferred customer. There's literally no fee. You don't pay a membership fee. You don't have to sign up for like any sort of like contract, nothing. It's like just like shopping. You just tell them you want them to auto ship it. And then you tell them, hey, I don't want you to. There's no requirements, no contract, no lock. Like it's easy. There's nothing scary about it. I promise. You're not locked into anything. You can change it anytime. You can cancel it anytime. You can change how often you get things. You can change what you're getting. It's the easiest thing ever, but it gets you a discount, 10% after you spend $30, and then a half off item after you spend $60. You can only get that stuff if you host parties, but this is you getting it by yourself, just hanging out with yourself, being your own best friend. Pretty awesome deal. And again, it's the only way you can get Whiffboxes half off. These can't even, hostesses can't even get these half off. These cannot be half off with parties or anything. So like I can't even get these half off when I'm putting a party in. I can't get them half off as a consultant. I can literally only get them half off with a club order of my own. So kind of the coolest perk ever. It's my favorite perk. Just really is. Also, if you didn't know this about Scentsy Club, if there is a scent in wax that you love and Scentsy's like, we're getting rid of it. And you're like, why? It's like the best scent ever. Why do they always get rid of the scents I love? you can go add it to your club. And as long as it stays in your club, they'll make that bar for you for the rest of your life. Even if they get rid of it, period. As long as it stays in your club, they'll make it for you for life. It's pretty much the coolest thing ever. So, awesome perks, Scentsy Club. Ask me more questions if you have some. But it is the coolest discount, easiest thing ever, super easy to set up, easiest thing to customize. Legit, ask me questions if you have them. I'd be happy to help you set it up. Get your discounts, get your Whiffbox, get your stuff. Let me know how that goes. Bye, friends.